Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Funix Creation. So as you know, today's video is also requested by one of my very dear subscriber. So today I'm gonna make that one, which is DIY miniature aquarium, also known as fish tank. So if you wanna know how I'll be making this, so make sure you watch the full video till the end. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go!
So for this I'll need cardboard, paper clay, translucent sheets, craft wire. So as you can see, I've taken these cutouts out of cardboard over here, and you can see them very clearly with the translucent sheets also. Now these one are the most small size translucent sheets, and then we'll keep that aside and then take one piece of cardboard and I'll just apply some glue on it so that I can start sticking the paper clay. So as I am applying the paper clay, as you can see, I am already getting that effect of the base of the fish tank, which is like kind of like seabed and all. So paper clay will help me with that. Then after it gets little dry, now I'll just start sticking these rocks, small rocks made out of paper clay again. So I'll just use my fingers to shape them and then I'll just stick it over here. So as you can see, once that is done, now I'll just use a pencil rounder and I'll just poke some holes in the middle before it dries. Now I'll just use the sculpting tool again and make the base of the seabed. It's rough, so I'll just give a rough look, and then I've taken these green card papers and I'll just cut these long bushes one by one. So as you can see, like this, and then these are some bare root floating plants, artificial ones, which I'll be using in my fish tank. So once that is done, now I'll just start giving them highlights using some light yellowish or greenish paints, as you can see. After that, I've taken these fish cutouts, handmade cutouts. You can also use printouts if you need, and then I'll just start sticking the paper clay on the body so that it can give you a 3D look. So making the body of the fish is really very easy. You just don't have to apply it on the fins and the tail, and that it will be perfect. The 3D fish will be done only for the body. So as you can see, one is already done. It gets dried, I'll just start using the second one also in the same process. And now I've taken these craft wires and I'll just poke the hole in the middle of the body of the fish, and then it will look something like this, like a prop, you can say. So it will help the fish to stand in place on the base. You can see it. Now after it gets dried, I'll just start painting the base with brown paint. And now I'll just start highlighting it with dark and light shades to give the final real life effect. So guys, I've been recently getting a lot of comments and DMs on how you guys are trying my creativity with your products, and you guys are telling me it's looking beautiful and the results are really amazing. So I'm really happy about that, and because of that I thought in this video from now onwards, why should I not let you guys explain yourself really well by looking at the videos. So I'll be making more easy tutorials in future, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and continue watching. So now I'll just use some grey paint also for some grey rocks. And now some more highlights. And now some orange paint for some rocks, because already we know that fish tank has so many colorful, really very colorful and bright stones, but over here I'm not going with all the colors, but you can if you want. So as you can see, the base is now completed and the fishes are also dried enough. So we'll start painting the fishes now. And I'm going for the goldfish effect over here. You can also paint any other fishes, because I thought this one is quite easy to paint and highlight, unlike others. And now some highlights also, because goldfish looks really very beautiful. And to be honest, I have goldfish in my home, so I just love them. So you can use any other fish ideas if you want. And as you can see, I've painted the craft wire of the fish with the green color so that it get mixed up with the background and the barefoot floating plants which I'll be using over here. So it will get mixed up with it and it will also look like a plant. So it will not show the fishes actually on the craft wire, it will show the fishes are actually swimming. So that's really great. You can also do that. So as you can see, the goldfishes are ready now, and I made only 3. You can also put some more if you want, but I guess 3 will be enough for this miniature aquarium. So now I'll just start applying this on the holes I made on the base. So it will look something like this, as you can see now. Now I'll just start sticking the floating plants also, and these are artificial as I said. And so these green plants will hide the wire used in the fish also. I've taken variety of these plants, so you can also use that. So now once it's done, now I'll just use translucent sheets for the glass effect for the body of the aquarium. Now I'll just stick these on all the sides, as you can see. Now these are some more white cardboard, and I'm just putting it half, folding it half in from the middle. So these will be for the frames, as you can see. It's now looking like this, and I'll just attach it over here. And like this I'll just do on all the 4 sides. So now that is done, as you can see, I'll just apply some more white cardboard, and for the frame, for the aquarium frame, I'll just apply over here also and on the top also, as you can see. So now it's looking quite decent and beautiful. So after doing this on all the sides, now I'll just take it over here also. And ta-da, it's done. The frame is completed. Now for the cap, which is kept on top of the aquarium for the oxygen and all, I'll just take these cardboard pieces. As you can see, this one is thin and the other ones are very thick cardboards, and this is the half circle shape. I'll just put it on each of the sides of this cardboard like this. Now for the other side also. So once this is done, as you can see, I've made 2 holes over here, and now I'll just take it on this piece of cardboard. And now this one is another frame which I'll be using inside, so it can easily fit inside of the aquarium. And now you can see the fish tank cap is also ready. Now I'll just give some white cardboard over here also for the frame for the cap also. So as you can see, now it's looking decent and beautiful again. And now I'll just start painting this cap with black paint along with the frames of the fish tank. And make sure you use acrylic or oil paints, because that paints are very, those paints are very attractive looking because they are shiny and smooth. So make sure you use that. Over here also on the frames. So as you can see, this is now painted. Now for the fish tank frames also the same paint, black. Okay, so that's now painted. Now this one's the hole which we'll be needing for applying the fairy light inside the aquarium. And ta-da! This is ready. As you can see, I've applied the lights also, and it's looking very adorable. And guys, just tell me, doesn't it feel so real, just like a real aquarium? And those fishes are so adorable and cute. I can't believe I just made this. So guys, if you also want to make this, make sure you try it and send me a picture on the Instagram handle of my channel, and I'll be reposting them in my further videos. So this was the final effect, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.